recently I felt the need to purchase a foot pump, and I did actually go for a Michelin, and I thought I will put this in this video through a series of tests, because the last pump I did, well, it was a bit of a disaster really. So let's get unboxing it and see what's inside. I've got some instructions there, pretty self-explanatory, and I'll get it out of the box. And the foot pump itself, it does actually look good quality. I'm quite impressed with this, and you get that lovely rubbery smell. So yeah, we've got the hose there. That's a nice little clip for it though. And underneath, and what's in this little box here? You can see there's a couple of ball attachments, and I do believe the one on the right is actually to convert a Presta valve to a Schrader, so that just detaches like so. And it looks to me like that's some clip which is used for operating, but we're going to have to release that zip tie before we get to that stage. That's a good smooth action, nice and solid. Quite impressed so far. I think I might have made a good purchase. So let's go give it a test. Well, I think we've all had one of those days where we've got a soft tyre to deal with. So it tends to happen when you least want it. So we'll screw this pump on and let you know how long it takes to reach. We're going to go a bit high. I'm going to go for 40 psi because it's a nice round number, and I'll let a bit of air out later to the correct pressure. We'll see how long it's going to take. Well, we have achieved 40 psi in 6 minutes and 10 seconds, which is surprisingly fast for a manual foot pump. I'm very impressed with the grip you've got on your feet and the stability. It's reasonably stable. It never once tried to jump away like these single barrels can do. We'll just get us gauge and check the pressure. Well, we have achieved the 40 psi there. It's actually more close to 39 than 40, but I'm very impressed with the quality of the gauge on the foot pump. Well, as I'm reboxing it, I'm going to give you my conclusion, and I'm really glad I bought 2 of them because I'm very impressed with this product. The gauge accuracy is good, and the stability was good pumping, and the general feel of the quality of the workmanship was excellent. So I'm reboxing it to keep in the car. Many thanks for watching, and why not like and subscribe.